Syntax to select previous row in Pandas after filtering. I have a PD dataframe df with 5 lines, say. Let's say I use the filter df value is lower than 15, and this should return. My question is, I want to access the value for the row before this filter returns true. In this example, I want a function to return the value 25 from row 2. My end goal is to apply the condition, get the row above, and test this row for an additional condition. What Pandas functions can I use? Thanks.
Shift the mask up by 1. More generally, if you're trying to find all rows greater than 15, whose next row is lesser than 15, you can compute 2 separate masks and an enim.
np.flat non-zero. To find where the mask is true, then subtract 1.
Using idsmax.
Using non-zero.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.